tell. If you heard my heart beating now, it'd be crazy. So I'm just so nervous.
I love that you're passionate about that,
Yeah.
but your actions are speaking about this.
Yeah.
So see this through
Yeah.
and see where it takes you. And
So just produce content as much as I want on my platforms. Because I am coaching expats as well.
I'm so glad we got your question in.
Thank you.
This is what everybody does. You're judging.
Myself.
Correct.
Yeah.
Do 6 months of this thing,
Yeah.
and if it doesn't feel good anymore, start doing more expat.
Because I'm getting a good response from the school and from the teachers around creating innovation, a culture of innovation and trust, because the buzzword right now is innovation, but people are afraid to take risks. So we need to create trust in schools.
Yep.
Yeah.
I
That's what I want to do.
I don't know why you're judging yourself for not finishing the expat thing when this thing came. See that through.
Okay.
I know you liked it.
So should I change my content online?
Yes.
To culture of innovation and trust?
Yep. I don't know if you heard this.
Okay.
But for 7 years, I only put out content about wine.
So you can
Do you remember that part?
But I feel disloyal to the followers like that, yeah.
Do you remember that part of my story?
I do, yeah.
So that's the answer.
Okay, so it's okay to change. It's okay
I got good news for you.
Evolve.
Everything's okay.
Okay. Okay, thank you. I love you so much.
Come on. All right, goodbye. Thank you so much. Thank you.